mga kasel! So we are now here at the Buncha restaurant. Actually, I searched it in through internet and also some of reviews. Ito yung isa sa mga pinakamatandang bilihan ng mga dim sum. Kung mga paborito niyo ang kumain ng dim sum, like yung Chinese dim sum. And also, they are famous because of the egg tart. Okay, so are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's go! Tara. Yeah. Wow, talaga makikita mo talagang very, very, very like, ano ba tawag nun? Yung parang makaluma. Vintage. So, let's go!
I check na.
Perfect! How was it, baby?
Just try.
How was it? Nice? Matabang lang yung sabaw pero masarap. Very healthy. Walang MSG. Maraming malalasan. Yung pork, masarap. Tender. Also. Okay. Let's try this one. This is what you call shrimp, majestic shrimp dumpling. Sabaw please. Sarap. Is it with sauce na? Yung ano, panalo to. See? Pure, very, very pure shrimp. Kaya pala sila masarap. Maybe 10 out of 10 also. Okay. That's it. Yeah, perfect. Majinit-jinit. Fresh shumai. Let's eat.
Ito daw parang pang
Shumai. Ay, shumai. Shoko pala ito. You try.
Mata sa akin ha.
Yummy. Hindi mo pa nga na-try. Sarap na agad.
The sauce.
The sauce.
Try na. This one.
How was it? Perfect?
Bigo.
Oh, very well. The inside. See the inside? Very, very. My handsome baby. avocado. Okay, masarap. Pero ayaw ko lang yung parang mayroon siyang kulay green. Parang cilantro ata yung tsura.
Yun, parang
Parang cilantro siya. Hindi ko siya bet. Pero masarap siya. All good. Kaso nga eh. Sarap. Ay. The porky is giving.
a lot of pork.
Oo nga, no, napaka-ano niya, maano siya, tawag na. Ma, ma-char-char. Hindi, maano siya, puro-puro. Siksik. She's very sexy. See guys, look. Look at that, and then put it on your mouth. Charing. Sarap. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Out of 10, out of 10.
Then,
Tsaka nga pala guys, about sa price, usually, itong siopaw, yung paw nila, order ko dito is 9 ringgit for 2 pieces. Itong tart naman nila is around 2 something, 2 point something. Tapos yung kanina kinain namin yung masarap, yung may purong shrimp siya, majestic shrimp dumpling. At bali, 9 ringgit din siya. And then itong shumai, it's 7.90 if I'm not mistaken. So, sa iba, medyo pricey pero sulit, worth it siya. See?
ito, ano lang, malapit lang. 3 kilometers.
Look at that.
It's so yellow.
Perfect.
Let's try.
Egg tart, ito yung pinaka-famous nila talaga, as in famous tart.
Let's try it.
Oh, look at that. How is it been? Nice? What's your score? 9? Why? Why not 10?
It's not that sweet.
Ah, really?
How is it?
Ay, mas bet ko to. Mas bet ko to. Hindi siya ganun katamis, hindi siya nakakakumat. Masarap talaga. Kaya 9 out of 10 sa akin. Sa akin 10. Kasi hindi ako fan ng sobrang tamis. Hello mga kisel! We are now here at Wong Meiki. So we are going to taste their famous roasted pork and also roasted chicken. They also offered, as I can see, they also offered the sweet one. What is that mean, baby? Oh yeah, the sweet pork and chicken also. So we have to taste. They are already 4 years, awarded as Michelin 23 to 26. So let's taste it and let's judge it. So medyo konti lang, di sobrang haba ng pila. So lucky tayo. Let's eat! Yeah, Uncle is shopping. Hi mga kiself, so nag-order na nga kami. So, ang in-order lang namin is roasted pork with rice, tapos char siu with rice. Tapos sabi niya, try daw namin yung ano kaya asam, para siyang sinigang in version ng Pilipinas. 12 ringgit siya ha, small lang. Pero para sa akin medyo pricey siya, pero tikman natin kung talagang worth it din naman yung price. Kasi nakaka-curious din, kaya namin ito pinuntahan kasi titignan nyo, hindi talaga nauubos yung linya. Diba baby, no? Do you think it will worth it?
Maybe.
So, let's taste it! Hi mga kasel! Dito na yung order namin. So, hanapin natin tikman na. Oh baby, go! Let's try. So, medyo majingay lang. Medyo mijiyak. Out of 10, para sa akin, 8.5. Ano natin to?
Nice.
This one?
Yeah.
Ay, masarap to. This one nice. This one, roasted, crispy roasted for 10 out of 10. Masarap. Undahan naman na. Natin sabaw. Tikman mo yung sabaw, baby. Ay, maanghang. Masarap para sa sinigang. So guys, kain muna kami. So Kang, what is your feedback?
Sarap.
Sarap.
Punta na kayo dito, guys. Sarap.
Ito,
masarap.
Then, how is it, baby? Which one is your favorite? The char siu? What is your favorite? The char siu or the roasted pork?
Roasted pork.
Roasted pork. Why?
It's crispy and juicy.
Actually guys, kung ako papipili na, mas okay ang roasted pork. Sobrang hindi siya literal na, oo, roasted pork, pero may something sa kanya, no? Oo. Yeah. Hello, perfect. So, what is your rate, madam?
10 out of 10.
Okay, so 10 out of 10. Pero sa akin yung char siu, yung kanina nga sinabi ko, ako 8.5. Tapos yung roasted pork talaga the best, 10 out of 10. And then yung sinigang nila version na maanghang talaga, 9 out of 10. Okay, so guys, so what are you waiting for? So visit na here to Uncle. Uncle is very approachable and friendly. When we asked him na kung pwede mag-picture sa kanya, pumayag naman si Uncle. So, hindi lang about food yung pinupuntahan ng tao dito. I think maybe because of Uncle also being so approachable and friendly. Hi mga kasel! So look at it! Sulit na sulit, ubos na ubos. So para sa akin yung binayad namin kanina, sulit pero bitin. So alam mo yon, sobrang sarap ng crispy roasted pork. Kaya alam ko na kung bakit siya binabalik-balikan, baby, no? People are keep on coming back, you know, kasi sobrang sarap talaga. Kaiba siya sa ibang mga roasted pork na tikman namin. So guys, ang binayad is worth it, yun nga lang medyo biten kasi konti lang siya. Kasi literal na konti lang. So, what do you think? Do you think we're coming back here?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, right?
Again.
So, ang swerte namin, wala masyadong pila. So, guys, please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.